gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine. As you can see, I'm looking stunning, okay, with these contact lenses from 2DADOLL. Oh guys, so see, I haven't wear any lashes that is as this gorgeous before. What's left of me? They added a picture of me. Oh, so gorgeous. That's so thoughtful of you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. So when you open this, the package, oh, there's a necklace inside as a gift. Thank you. And also lashes, 2 pair of lashes. They sell lashes. They have lashes on their website. They added these 2 pair of lashes, which I'm going to wear to film this video. Okay. And some cases, and these are the contacts. Okay. And what is this? Let's see this. Okay, it's a case as well. There's an applicator that came with it, and a storage, okay, to store your lenses. So they added 4. You can see they added 4 to it, and these are the lenses and the lashes. Let's look at these 2 lashes. They are so gorgeous. So this is it. Let me open it to show you guys, because you have to keep this for 24 hours. You open that 24 hours, 7 hours, sorry, before wearing them. That's how it came. You can see it's inside this case. So I'm going to turn this inside one of those case, then change the solution. I'll say keep for like 7 hours before applying them. So guys, now I'm going to wear the lenses for you guys to see. First thing, before you wear the lenses, make sure your hands are clean. I'm going to use an applicator to apply these lenses on my eyes. And one thing I still want to show you, before you apply them, when you buy your contact, please make sure you bring it out, remove it from the solution, and add it on another solution, and leave it for about 7 hours before applying them. They sent me 4 styles. They sent me dark pink, wood gray, crash brown, and Venus blue. So you guys know that he came with an applicator. If you cannot use the applicator, you can use the tip of your finger, but I prefer using the applicator. These are the applicator that came with it. Okay, this one is the clip, and this is the applicator that I use in applying it on your eyes. The first one we're going to try is the dark pink. Let me try the dark pink for you guys to see. They are here. See, I kept them here. There is a mirror in front of me, so I'm just going to open my eyes wide. Wow, you see that? Ooh. Yeah, this is really gorgeous. I like this. You can see the color. I love the color so much, the pink undertone. Okay, let's try the other one. Wow. Ooh, I like this. What do you guys think? This is so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. It's really dark pink. This is gorgeous. I love it so much. And with my lashes, ooh, this is wow, so beautiful. Okay, let me try another one on for you guys to see. Guys, look at this one. This one is the wood gray. It has this gray undertone. It's on the natural side. You see, it's different from that first one that I wore that is a little bit pinky. This one is on the natural side. If you like natural lash, if you like natural contact, you're going to like this one. You can see it looks charming, it's gorgeous. I like this. Ooh, it's charming. So these are the two on. What do you think about them? I like this one. How simple it is and natural it is. I just like it so much. And with these lashes, ooh, in case if you're wondering where these lashes are from, they are from them, okay, from the same website. I'm going to leave the link to these lashes on the description box and the contact as well. Wow. I think I'm looking gorgeous with these. What do you guys think? Ooh, this is so charming. Wow. I love them. I love them. Look at it on a close range. You see this? See them on a close range. So you see this one is kind of brownish. Is a crush down. This one is a crush down. You can see it looks natural as well, almost similar to my natural eye. You can see my natural eye here, and this is where the lenses, the contact is. They look almost similar. If you don't want something too dramatic, too different from your natural eyeball, this one is a must. Is a must. Ooh. So look at it, my eye and the contact. So you can see the two on. Okay, what do you think? I'm feeling this one. I like it because it's still on the natural side. It's not dramatic, very soft, and the vision is clear. Yeah, I like this one as well. What do you think of the two on? I think this one is beautiful. That brownish color, sexy, charming. Okay. Wow. Yeah, guys, look at this one. What do you think? This one is the Venus blue. Venus blue. Oh, you can see the difference, the great difference between my natural eyeball and this. But it's gorgeous. I like it. Ooh. Wow. Oh, I like this as well. It's on the dramatic side and not too dramatic as well. Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. Guys, I am on the moon. I am on the moon. Oh gosh, look at this. See how beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, lovely. To be frank with you guys, I love this one. I love the charm of this one. I think the Venice blue is my favorite. I think so. I think so. What do you think about this? Ooh. Oh la la, this is so good. I so much love this. I so much. To be frank with you guys, I love this one. This very one right here. This one right here. This right here is my favorite. Ooh, I love this. Oh, this is so charming, gorgeous. The blue, just like cat's eye. Ooh, man. Look at this. Girl, I'm beautiful. I am beautiful with this contact. Oh gosh. This is to the moon, okay? To the moon. So guys, unfortunately that is it for this video. I've tried all, it's just 4. I think these ones I tried today, they are among the new ones on their website. I think so. So I will leave the direct link to them, each of them, and also I will leave the link to their website on the description box. So you check that out. They have other ones. You can check to see if you like any other one apart from this one. But believe me, these ones I just tried, they are bomb. They are so beautiful. Look at how stunning I'm looking. See this. So that is it, gorgeous. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you so much for doing that, and hit on that bell icon if you like this contact lens review. If you like it, support your girl by clicking on that like button. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.